If you're looking for compact binoculars that deliver sharp clarity, powerful zoom, and easy portability, you're in the right spot. In this video, we're reviewing the 6 best compact binoculars that combine performance, lightweight design, and great value for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're birdwatching, traveling, hiking, or attending events, these binoculars are built to give you a clear and comfortable viewing experience anywhere you go. Check the description for all product links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Let's jump straight into the list. At number 6, we have the POLDR Compact Binocular. If you are looking for a compact, travel-friendly binocular that delivers surprising clarity without adding bulk, the POLDR Compact Binocular is an excellent choice for everyday use. Designed for both adults and kids, it's perfect for birdwatching, concerts, theater shows, travel, and outdoor adventures where portability matters most. With a powerful 12x magnification and 25mm objective lens, this binocular offers a wide 126 f to 1,000 yards field of view, allowing you to capture distant objects clearly and comfortably. The built-in back key 4 prism system enhances light transmission, delivering sharper, brighter, and more detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. One of its biggest strengths is the ultra-lightweight and pocket-sized design. You can easily slip it into your backpack or even carry it in your hand without feeling weighed down. The smooth center focus knob and adjustable right-eye lens make focusing quick and effortless for users of all ages. Complete with a neck strap, cleaning cloth, and carrying bag, the POLDR Compact Binocular offers great value in a portable, budget-friendly package with clear vision on the go. At number 5, we have the Vortex Optics Crossfire HD Binocular. The Vortex Optics Crossfire HD Binocular is a powerful and reliable choice for anyone who wants premium performance in a rugged, outdoor-ready design. Whether you are birdwatching, hiking, traveling, or watching sports, this binocular delivers the kind of clarity and durability that makes every viewing experience more immersive and enjoyable. Built with a high-quality HD optical system, 10x magnification, and 42mm objective lenses, it produces sharp, bright, and color-accurate images with excellent edge-to-edge clarity. The advanced glass elements reduce chromatic aberration, while fully multi-coated lenses maximize light transmission, ensuring you get clear views even in low-light conditions like dawn or dusk. Designed for extreme outdoor use, the Crossfire HD features a rugged rubber-armored body that is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof. Nitrogen purging and O-ring seals protect it from moisture, dust, and harsh weather, making it dependable in almost any environment you step into. Comfort and usability are excellent, with adjustable eye cups, smooth center focus, and diopter control, offering great value for serious outdoor use. At number 4, we have the Hontry Compact Binocular. The Hontry Compact Binocular is a smart and versatile choice for anyone who wants clear vision in a truly portable design. Whether you're into birdwatching, concerts, sports games, hiking, or travel, this binocular is built to be your everyday companion for capturing distant moments with ease and excitement. Powered by a balanced 10x magnification with 25mm objective lenses, it delivers a stable and detailed viewing experience without excessive shaking. The inclusion of back 4 prisms enhances image quality, giving you brighter, sharper visuals with impressive depth and clarity even in low-light environments. With an adjustable IPD range of 60mm to 75mm, it fits both kids and adults comfortably, making it a great shared family binocular. One of its biggest advantages is the ultra-compact and lightweight design. Weighing only around 0.6 pounds and fitting comfortably in your palm, it's easy to carry anywhere without hassle. Reliable, affordable, and highly portable, the compact binocular is a fantastic pick for anyone who wants fun, flexibility, and clear viewing in one compact package. At number 3, we have the Aurosports Compact Binocular. The Aurosports Compact Binocular is an excellent all-round choice for anyone who wants powerful vision in a lightweight, travel-friendly design. Whether you're birdwatching, attending concerts, cruising, hiking, or traveling with family, this binocular delivers sharp clarity and reliable performance in every situation. Equipped with a stable 10x magnification and 25mm objective lenses, it strikes the perfect balance between zoom and image stability. You get a wide, clear field of view that makes it easy to track moving birds, enjoy stage performances, or capture fast action at sports events without losing detail. Thanks to Back 4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses, this binocular enhances light transmission for bright, vivid, and lifelike images. Even in low-light environments like shaded forests or evening shows, it delivers impressive clarity with reduced glare and sharper contrast. Built for everyday use, it is ultra-compact, foldable, and weighs only about 0.5 pounds, making it easy to carry anywhere. Affordable, portable, and versatile, the Aurosports Binocular is a must-have for capturing every memorable moment with ease. At number 2, we have the Bushnell H2O Xtreme Binocular. The Bushnell H2O Xtreme Binocular is a rugged, high-performance optical companion built for serious outdoor enthusiasts who demand clarity and durability in every environment. Engineered with a powerful 10x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, it uses premium Bokeh 4 prisms and fully multi-coated optics to produce bright, sharp, and high-contrast images. Every detail appears crisp and clear, giving you an immersive viewing experience even at long distances. Built for extreme environments, it features a 100% waterproof and fog-proof construction with O-ring seals and nitrogen purging. Rain, humidity, or sudden temperature changes won't affect its performance, making it a dependable choice for all weather adventures. The rugged rubber armor ensures a secure non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Compact yet powerful, this binocular combines durability, optical precision, and trusted Bushnell engineering. If you want a tough, travel-ready binocular that never lets you down, the Bushnell H2O Xtreme Binocular is a smart and reliable investment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vortex Optics Diamondback HD Binocular. If you're looking for a premium compact binocular that perfectly balances portability, clarity, and rugged performance, the Vortex Optics Diamondback HD is an outstanding choice. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand quality in a lightweight form, it's ideal for travel, birdwatching, hiking, sports events, and everyday exploration. Powered by an advanced HD optical system with 8x magnification and 28mm objective lenses, this binocular delivers crisp edge-to-edge sharpness, excellent color fidelity, and reduced chromatic aberration. Whether you're viewing distant wildlife or scenic landscapes, the image remains bright, natural, and highly detailed. Built for real-world conditions, the Diamondback HD features a rugged, waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof construction with argon purging and O-ring seals. The Armor-Tech-coated lenses resist scratches, oil, and dirt, while the rubber armor ensures a secure, non-slip grip even in wet or rough environments. Comfort and usability are equally impressive, with adjustable eye cups, smooth center focus, and precise diopter control for personalized viewing. Compact, durable, and optically brilliant, the Diamondback HD is built for those who refuse to compromise on performance or reliability in the field. That wraps up our picks for the 6 best compact binoculars. Each option offers a perfect balance of portability, clear optics, and comfortable viewing to make your outdoor experience easier and more enjoyable. Check the links in the description to find the one that fits your needs and budget. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides and reviews like this.